Truck 34X. 34X gonna be Drew Westbrook. Next truck is going to be the 227 truck of George Gustafson. Done Right Builders is the sponsor. Truck number 41 pulling in. Scheible, sponsored by South Central Auto Service. And we got the 102 truck. That is Ryan Blake, sponsored by Park City Auto Parts and DLD Signs and Design. 315 is going to be Marcus Lang. The next truck would be the 34 truck. That would be Tyler Scharfenkamp. Whoa, then we got the number 12 truck. We got Jeremy Tomsky. I think he was here last night in another truck. One of them Tomskys were here. We got the 714 truck next. 714, Adam Mauer, sponsored by Truckmate Toppers, K and Towing and Recovery, Eastbound Auto and Diesel Repair. And we got the 169 truck, that's Troy Olson. He was here last night, I believe, in the half-ton class. And then we got 66N, Nicholas Hawkins, sponsored by Andy's Body Shop and Pig and Plow. 3, 2, 1, green flag, truckers. Broken steering hanging on. 34X is broken. 315. Laying down the hip here as well. Like the 41 broke. We might be down to 3-4 trucks here. We got Mauer and Tomsky still moving. Mauer's got no steering. And Mauer's still going. Moving, trying to get it fired back up. Running real strong here. Mauer's in a tough spot here on the wall pass. Mauer's still trying to fire it up here. Here comes Tomsky, gonna line it up. Bigger hit. I think he waved him off. That's it. That's it, red flag. Give him a big round of applause here. Your limited world pickup truck. Great show. Jeremy Tomsky, number 12, gonna be your winner. Yeah, dominated from the beginning, Jeremy Tomsky. Looks like your second place truck is gonna be Adam Mauer. And in third place is going to be the 66N, Nicholas Potkish. Great show, huh, Mac? They were moving out there. Jeremy was putting on a show last night, I believe, and he put on a whooping today. 169 of Troy Olson, going to be your mad dog of the limited well pickup trucks there. Great job. He went airborne on one of them hits.